Right. Just tried a few more things. Gotta get this sorted. Toning down some of the quality, guys, on it. So let us see. Hopefully. Might be a little bit better. Yeah, just over there, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, love. Well, we come back over, guys. Just changed around. Hopefully. Don't know about the picture quality though, guys. I do hope it will still sort of be up there. And we are back again. Let's see how it works. We are back. I've just changed it around, guys.
924, contact ground on 121.855. 121.855, yeah, 924. And 1009, wind 240 degrees 8 knots, 27 right, clear to land. 27 right, clear to land, 119.
Look at that. Right, now let us know, guys, if this is any better or if it's still bad, because other than that, right, it's coming back up green. The signal might not be as good, guys. I had to sort of tone it down a bit, so do apologise for anyone where we had to sort of start the stream again, but we are still here. Such a shame. Hey, it happens to the best of even the BBC, eh? That's it, right, it looks like it's streaming a little bit more now.
Roll out to continue protection,
Alright, looks like we've got green signals all around again, guys. So, hopefully...
Alpha 36, contact land, 121.855.
we're all good. Let's hope.
1855, it's Hotel 360. Lima Quebec, wind 240 degrees, 10 knots, 27 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 27 right.
Such a shame, we had a good stream going there as well. What I will do though, guys, anything on there, I'll catch us in HD content as well on the new camera. We'll post that up a bit later on. Looks like everything's finally back up and running, hopefully.
21855, level 88, Foxtrot surface wind 250 degrees, 10 knots, runway 27 right, clear to land. Clear land, 27 right. That's the whole 88 Foxtrot. All 3 Romeo, 3 miles, 3 Romeo, continue approach 27 right, the wind is 250 degrees, 11 knots, after landing, roll out to vacate down to Seneca. Continue 27 right, vacating down to Seneca, 3. Hello, 280, right, 5 miles. The 280, sorry, continue approach 27 right, wind is 250 degrees, 10 knots. Romeo surface wind 250 degrees, 10 knots, runway 27 right, clear to land. Clear land, 27 right,
Looks like everything's back up and running in green. Fingers crossed. Sorry about the if the picture quality's sort of gone down a bit though, guys, but it don't look like it can stream in HD exactly where I am from the Wi-Fi dongles that I've got.
Tower Kennedy 54 is on the island, 27 right. Right, 54, continue right, 27 280, land after vacating 319, 27 right, the wind is 250 degrees, 10 knots. Land after
Everything in here so quick, so fast. Dreamliner on approach looks like.
That was 1855, so we'll stay on it. Behind this landing, British Airways 787, flight after 7, crosses runway 27 right behind.
Looks a lot better. Sorry about that mix-up, guys. you know what, that same A340, well, it obviously wasn't the same A340, but that A340 was parked over there. I don't know if you remember the broadcast I've done a couple of weeks. That was literally parked over there for the best part of a day. It must have been even a day and a half. Potential sort of maintenance, something like that. Would like to fly Virgin Atlantic, I've got to admit. Other than that, guys, the beer's going down really nice. Now, I do thank you for all the support, though, guys. It's been amazing. I am every flight that's going to be in as well, going to be trying to sort of upload it as well a bit later on, let you know where the aircraft have come in from, registrations. Is this the Raccoon? Is it a Canada, isn't it? The Dreamliner?
166 is just on 7 miles on the right. 166, continue approach 27 right, wind is 240 degrees, 11 knots. Continue approach 241 degrees.
Yeah. Absolutely mad here today as well. I don't know whether you can sort of hear the cars in and about the actual Renaissance Hotel at the moment. It is so busy. Every couple of minutes I'm having someone ask me, do I work here? And where's the parking spaces? No idea, guys. If I pan around to the right, you probably can't see it, but look at the paint coming off that United 777 over there. United, if anyone's watching, guys, just give her a paint job, you know? She's worth more than that. Wow. That's it, guys. I will get around to the comments, so do like and love and share. Caress the channel, shall we say. I'm hoping the stream is a lot better now. Everything's up in green. It looks like broadcasting in HD. For some reason, the system doesn't like it. But we will get there. We live and we learn and we move on. Ooh, very shaky on approach. Loads. Yeah. Loads, man. Lots and lots. It's close. I can. Yeah. Sorry, mate. I'm on live. Sorry, guys, if you didn't get one. As I said, another person interested in aviation. You get it all around here. This is a reason I love Heathrow Airport. Absolutely amazing. It's starting to rain as well, but do you know what? It ain't going to stop me. Delta 402.
Shamrock 158, for number 27 right. 158, delivery 279. Local.
Very, very busy in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6, 7 aircraft that I can actually spot in the background there. At least. Very, very busy. Finnair A350 in the background as well. I do want to slightly pan it round to the left. Sheer beauty. Wow. And then literally panning around from that straight on. Sure, this was Delta 402. Beautiful landing. United aircraft approaching on just trying to think, are they going to be departing from 27 right at the second? It's might be a switch coming up. It is starting to get a bit windy and the rain is starting to fall a little bit more now. It's getting a bit more heavy. No, going round, heading off 27 left. Captivated by that aircraft. I do like the Malaysian Airlines livery on that, on the A350. Shamrock Aer Lingus A320. There's that Delta, it looks like, that's literally just landed.
Right, 938, take altitude 7 right, 725 degrees 9 knots.
767, guessing that's a Delta aircraft. It is Next couple of weeks we will be flying on the BA 767 again. That was a joy, I tell you. It is absolutely chucking it down with rain now. But you know what? I'm happy. I suppose until it ruins all the equipment, then I won't be happy.
Good morning, Air India 161 Delta, it's on this island of Delta. Air India 161 Delta, celebrate 279. Air India 161. Vacate left and hold Echo 2. Left hold Echo 2, number 3. 32, ground 121, decimal 7 to 5. 2170.
The rain is coming in thick and fast. They must think I'm an absolute nutter standing out here in the rain. But do you know what? Come rain or shine, for you guys supporting me, it's the literally least that I can do. I just hope the stream is coming through all right. Sorry if the picture quality has gone down a little bit, guys. But obviously I want to get the stream in. And today is the day. As you can probably see, it is very, very hazy over there at the second. Look at that. The old Air Canada livery, I think it beats the new one. Like clear mile. I think I will stop the broadcast though, guys, if it does absolutely hammer it down. At the moment, it's sort of dripping in and about. And I am getting through it. Do you know what? I do love that Thai livery on the 777. Met a couple of pilots actually here, flying back to Bangkok. Very, very nice people, in fairness. You probably can see in the background, guys. You can see the sort of haziness. I am hoping it's looking a lot lighter. The clouds right behind me. So I'm hoping this rain shower, or this little rain shower, is actually sort of going to pass and move. Air India. Shout out to all the guys watching in India. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Coming up to nearly an hour on the live streams now. So thank you for everyone that's tuned in, guys. Really appreciate. As I said, any comments, we'll get round to them, guys, but obviously I can't look at the comments on this section of it at the moment. It's taking too much power out of the laptop. I don't want to run too many things at once, and I don't want to ruin the broadcast. Rain has eased off a bit, which is good. I'm happy. Things are they are getting better. Look at that. Do you know what, that Aeroflot livery? We've really made a change, in fairness, from the old, don't get me wrong, I love the old the Tupolovs that they used to use, in all fairness, but they really have brought themselves up mark here at Aeroflot in the last sort of about 5 to 8 years, you know. As you can probably see with the car wiper blades over there, that is currently what we're dealing with at the moment. Absolutely, yeah, the rain's getting worse. But hey, aviation's a love and it's a passion. Let's say hello to Mr. Finch as well. Hello, mate. Love the live streams that you was doing from Stansted the other day. Very, very good. Triple 7 in on approach. Looks like the broadcast yet again is getting interrupted. We was doing so well. I think it might be because of the rain, guys. In all fairness, I think what I'm going to do, the rain is absolutely hammering it down at this precise moment. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause, stop for a moment, let the weather just improve a little bit, charge the equipment once again, and then we'll be back out here. Probably be back out here, what, half hour, something like that. I don't want to leave. Right, guys, with the weather, it is sort of hammering it down now. It will ruin the equipment. That is one thing that I do not want. So what I'm going to do, cut it short just for the moment, and then we'll be back very, very soon. So hold tight, and we'll see you in a bit.